Namaste, my name is Griffin Wong. I'm a new intern at Agastya working on the branding and communications team from the United States, and I was really excited to come here to India and learn more about Agastya and immerse myself in this world for the summer. But before coming to campus, I didn't know a lot about it, and I was really excited to learn so much about this incredible organization while I was here. First of all, not only is the campus incredible, situated at the tri-point of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, the setting is incredible, and especially all the people really open their hearts, and you can tell that there's a very value-oriented organization that really truly cares about children and not only their results but especially their growth. And I think that it's something that is very difficult to find in an organization, and it's something that we do here at Agastya.